Claim, has Gautam Adani been arrested by US officers? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. Following the uproar over the news of Adani Group chairman Gautam Adani being indicted in a $250 million bribery scheme by the US Securities and Exchange Commission on Wednesday, a social media claim is going viral showing an image where Adani was seen being escorted by the US police. The caption reads, "Conman Adani arrested." It can be accessed here and here, but the same image has been used with a different claim that an arrest warrant has been issued against Adani. Big breaking, the US federal court has issued arrest warrants for Gautam Adani and his nephew Sagar Adani. Huge embarrassment for India. Congress and other opposition parties have been demanding JPC inquiry against #Adani many times. Fact check. Truth, misrepresentation. Adani has not been arrested as claimed. The image is AI generated. Fact check details. When Digiti India received a request on its WhatsApp tip line, the team checked for authenticity first by checking the news related to the arrest. While the US SEC has indicted Adani in the bribery case, the news of arrest warrant being issued against Adani and his nephew Sagar Adani has been reported by Reuters here and The Hindu here. Since the US prosecutors plan to hand over the warrants to foreign, India, law enforcement agencies, it takes the usual procedural norms and may take time. Meanwhile, the Adani Group has denied charges and released a press note. The statement said, as stated by the US Department of Justice itself, the charges in the indictment are allegations and the defendants are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty. All possible legal recourse will be sought. As of Thursday, 21st November 2024, Adani or his nephew were not arrested as claimed in the exposed. Next, we checked the image and found it AI generated, seeing the anomalies in the picture. One officer was seen with 6 fingers, indicating the AI generated possibility. When cross-checked on Illuminati, it showed 92.8% probability of the image being generated by AI. Hence, the photograph showing Gautam Adani's arrest by US police officials was AI generated and false. Claim, image shows Adani Group chairman Gautam Adani arrested by US officers. Conclusion, misrepresentation. Adani has not been arrested as claimed. The image is AI generated. Rating, misrepresentation. The claim is false. Thank you for visiting us, digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digiti India.